When trying to achieve the perfect leap, you must consider which leap you will try to perfect. For this presentation, I chose 3 of the most common leaps: the split leap, the leap in second, and the stag leap. The different motions of a leap begin with a chassé and step preparation. Next comes a plie that will help launch you upwards. The leap then occurs if you successfully do step 1 and 2. When landing after the leap, you must roll through your feet. Lastly, remember to plie at the end to recover from the leap. Every leap has a beginning and end. A leap starts with a proper plie to create enough momentum for the dancer to leap upwards. When ending a leap, roll through the feet by landing on the ball of the foot and then the heel. This will protect your knees and result in a softer landing. There are several ways to improve a leap. Some ways include splits that can help with flexibility. Strengthening leg muscles can help lift off the ground. Jumps can help with the stamina of a dancer. And extension stretching can help achieve a straight leg leap. A perfect leap consists of 3 main goals: strength, extension, and lastly, stamina. Having an equal balance of these will help any dancer in their journey to achieve the perfect leap.